Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, beautiful little island Okinawa, Pacific Ocean side, east side of the beach, of the mainland of the Okinawa. Well, beautiful, isn't it? And this is 4x5 black and white, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, this is my subject today, and today I want to colorize this image first. Then after that, think about that. Well, I got a couple different landscape scenery shot last time, and I made colorized already. Well, this time I don't know what's gonna happen. You want to make nice blue sky, or well, we have pretty much direct sunlight, huh? We have night shadows, so direct. Okay, let's get started. Now I'm gonna move this empty layer over this image. Then let's see, change blend mode first to color. Then choose, well, go for a nice blue sky. Yep. Oh, by the way, I gotta pick up some, go for basic to soft round opacity. That's no texture on the brush. Okay, now foreground sand. Right, this is overall foreground, background, skies. Okay, now I wanna, let's see, continue a little bit detail. How about blue ocean, huh? Okay, now we're gonna go rock. Okay, before that I'm gonna create empty mask on this sky background. Let's see, with the same brush. Okay, almost done. No need to make masks so precise. It's gonna paint it on anyways. Okay, let's go for tree. Now this is sky, and I'm gonna add layer. Then change blend mode to color again. Then let's see, add color greens. Okay, overall same greens now. Then I'm gonna add some younger greens later on, like Sunny's Hill on more yellowish color on. Now I just want to see overall image. Okay, add some branches, brownish colors. Well, turn into color photograph, little by little. Okay, I'm going to erase it to soft round, hard round. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now use smudge tool, which is same basic to round, soft round opacity. You can see how much we smudged when I change this blend mode color to normal. So we see some. Smudge to take out this hard edge, but not everything. Some part doesn't stand out so much, so it doesn't need to smudge so much. When I want to mix colors with the next to each other, then I'm gonna smudge, but change back to color, then won't show much. So just smudge when you see it. In this case, you don't smudge with the green and the rocks colors, so just erase if it's then paint it on greens. Okay, let's see overall colors. I want this tree to be more stand out, so okay, now this is tree, right? Okay, I'm gonna add here a little more pop-up colors. Now let's see, still need to be more pop-up colors, huh? I want to make something interesting, more interesting image to change. Maybe colors, emphasize colors to make it more interesting image, huh? Maybe around this rock colors, yeah, something creative color image. Now I wanna add one more layer for these rocks color. let's see, a little bit more emphasize. Reddish and yellowish, maybe. Let's see. Okay, change blend mode to color. Alright, now let's see overall smudge. Well, overall, just the scenery, huh? I think, let's see. This is real shadow color of the rocks. So I'm gonna merge down. And these are same. This is color blend mode. This is color blend mode. Okay. I'm gonna merge down. Now we got the one color layer of the trees and stuff. And this is background sky blue with mask. Let's see about this overall image. Well, just the sky blue and trees and rocks. Not much, not special colors. But let me see about this. Pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to overlay. Okay, kind of overall cyan colors. So let me see this change appearances, maybe color balance, then midtones, go red, then yellow, then highlight side, go yellowish more, touch, then reddish. Okay, now shadow side. Shadows go to same thing, reddish, more warm tone. Then it's already yellowish, not much. Then green. Yeah, shows a little bit more warm tone. But let's see, change blend mode though. Go back to normal. Then turn it off, this pencil drawing type image. Let's see the effect. Yeah, a little bit warm up. A little bit too much yellow. But just a touch stronger. On mid-tones, so bring this one back. Maybe about 17. Shadows are right, highlights. Yeah, how's it now? Kind of warm up. Okay. Well, this is sort of regular color image, I think. Black and white, a little bit cool black to warm it up. Just a touch warm tone, just like printing paper change to warm color. Then add sky blue and trees, rocks, Well, this sky blue is, let me see, we can change this, some variation on this. Okay, add layer, then change blend mode to color. Then let's see, now I'm gonna go oh, let's see. Can we copy this mask? Copy mask, then paste mask. Another appearance is to brightness contrast. Then I'm looking at foreground. Tone down. Brightness go down, contrast go down. Then make mask, now invert mask. Then reveal only for foreground. Just tone down on the foreground. Then let's see, well, pretty interesting, orangerish. Yeah, different color image, one variation, and I may add some colors on the foreground though, on this same layer. Okay, now on this same layer, I'm gonna add some more reddish. Well, another variation of the colors. Maybe we can add some stars on something, huh? Well, some other time. Just wanna take this, how about this color balance? That's for sky. Now overall, touch go back mid-tones to 0 and reddish color to down about 8. Pretty much. Magenta wish, that's fine. Okay. Well, I guess that's it for today. Change colors and very interesting. Different color image. We got different variation on this. From here, blue sky, to some other different image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Let's be creative, but that's very interesting. If I change blend mode to, let's see. Overlay 40%. That's interesting too. Now we got the two different image. Yep.